Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I bring you everything that you need to know about the POLENE CYME bag. I am going to unbox it, I'm going to review it and show you everything that fits in this bag, plus all the different ways that you can wear it. I will leave all of the details of this bag in the description box down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more weekly videos. And now, let's get to the video. So guys, as I said before, in this video I will be unboxing the POLENE CYME bag. This bag comes in two sizes, the large and the mini, and I will be unboxing the mini size in color black. As you can see, this bag comes on a white box with the name POLENE on top, and on the inside the bag comes nicely wrapped with paper with the logo of the brand and instructions on how to wear the bag. Comes with a very good quality dust bag with the name POLENE in front. And here it is, the beautiful POLENE CYME bag in the size mini. I really love this bag and I was needing a bag for daily use, and I think this one is perfect. It's small enough to fit comfortable under my arm, but also very spaceful to put all my daily needs. As you can see, the bag looks small, but it has a lot of space on the inside. Also comes with a small leather pouch that says POLENE made in Spain. This pouch has a zipper and it is detachable from the bag, so you can use it on its own as well. And here you can see the front and the back of the bag. As you can see, this bag comes with two handles, one short for handheld and the long one for the shoulder. You can wear this bag in two shapes, a more compact shape, which is the one you see right now, or you can open the sides and change completely the shape of the bag. This bag measures 22 by 33 by 13 centimeters. The small handles measures 40 centimeters and the long ones 60 centimeters. The pouch measures 20.5 by 12 centimeters. As you can see, this bag comes on a variety of colors and has been made with certified Italian texture calf leather. The lining has been made with 100% microfiber suede. The POLENE CYME bag also comes on a canvas edition made with 100% cotton. As you may know, the POLENE brand is a French house, but all of their bags are made in Spain. And now let's see what fits in this bag. And here you can see that the bag has four small flaps on the inside that sometimes gets difficult to put things in. As you can see, this bag has plenty of space for my daily essentials, and with the versatility with all the straps and the pouch on the inside, I think it's a perfect bag for daily use. The price for this bag is 330 euros or 460 US dollars in the mini size, and the price for the large size is 380 euros or 520 US dollars. The canvas edition only comes on the large size and the price is 330 euros, and I believe this bag is only sold in Europe and not in the US. So guys, I will leave the links of the bag and all of the items in this video in the description box down below, including the outfit that I am wearing. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos, and hope to see you on my next one.